Of course. All right.
Hi, this is Roman, also known as my crazy
Best
best friend.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to It's Stout You. It's me. I'm your brewstress, Roman. This is my best friend, B.
Hi.
Hi. Today we're at Corey's Fine Wine and Spirits on location in Henderson, Nevada. And today we are trying my favorite brewery's beer, Belching Beaver out of San Diego, California.
Such a liar.
They are my favorite. They're one of my favorites. We are trying Belching Beaver's peanut butter latte. Ooh, oh, okay, the light's bad. So I'll throw a picture up on there for you. Boom.
I promised her we already tasted this, but she can't remember.
I must have been drunk.
I didn't say that. Just saying you had a bad memory.
If I don't remember, this is 5.0 ABV.
What does even ABV mean?
Alcohol by volume. Very, very good.
A+.
She's in beer school.
100%.
She gets a A-. Today,
Why a A-?
because you didn't know it right off the bat. You would have had A+ if you knew it like spot on.
Oh, if I wouldn't have even asked the question?
Right.
I see. Okay.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and smell this in. I always screw this up. Screw it. I'm gonna smell it in the bottle first. It smells like peanut butter.
Does it seriously?
It does. Smell it.
You guys want to smell? Wait a minute. Here you go.
Always smells different in the bottle. So we're
Sweet.
gonna go ahead and pour it. Ooh, it's a pretty ambery golden color.
Oh.
It's got minimal head. It's got light carbonation. There are a lot of bubbles, but they're not big bubbles.
Are we back to that topic, head again?
Yes. Head is the white foam on the top.
Whoever came up with that term for the top of a beer?
All right. So,
Why is it called head?
Bella, smell your beer.
Smell my head, you mean?
It smells like peanut butter.
Oh my god!
It's good,
It
right?
smells like out of the jar.
Like fresh peanut butter.
Like Skippies. Or even better. Like Whole Foods beer. Peanut butter. Like raw peanut butter.
Oh my god. Dude,
Wow!
this is amazing.
Oh my gosh.
It tastes like freaking peanut butter. I don't get where they say latte, like peanut butter latte, but
Well, because it has a barista aftertaste to it.
does it? Oh my god, but look. He's holding like a little Starbucks. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's holding like a Starbucks freaking cup. Lots of peanut butter flavor in it. It's very light. It's not too heavy like your porters and your stout. I think
It
it's
has
an
to be ale.
So it's
I
super
could
light, super refreshing. This tastes great. I think it's great in the summer hot days. Like, you could totally drink this. Check out my last
Who are
video. We
losing.
tasted the Las Vegas Golden Knights beer special edition here in Las Vegas. Go ahead and view that. You can find the description down below.
Down below.
Down below. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up, guys.
Two golden thumbs up.
2 golden thumbs up. Like it and click the subscribe button, guys. If you have any recommendations on beers that I should try, let me know down below. I'll go out and try something just for you.
Yeah.
Until then, I say go out and grab Belching Beaver peanut butter latte. It's delicious. Until the next
Gross.
video, cheers.
Should I drink this now? Probably, huh?
Yeah, you should drink it. See ya.
Bye.